Greeting guys. So welcome back. So in this video we'll be seeing SAM2 model which is released recently. So I will be giving you the grasp of how the model architecture works for SAM2 and introducing their GitHub repository and then the research paper that they have published, and then we'll be seeing a notebook, hands-on notebook, where we'll be trying to do apply SAM2 on our own images to see how it can able to segment the images in a general way with a zero shot capability. Okay, so let's dive in. SAM2, it's an advanced model for comprehensive object segmentation in both images and videos, and it features a unified promptable model architecture that excels in processing complex visual data in real time and supports zero shot generalization. So regarding the key features of SAM2 is the one is unified model architecture, which combines images and video segmentation, simplifies the deployment with a prompt-based interface. And the second one is real-time performance, which can process 44 frames per second, suitable for immediate feedback applications. And the third one is zero-shot generalization, which can segment unseen objects useful in diverse visual domains. And the fourth one is interactive refinement. User can refine the result with additional prompt. And the fifth one is like advanced visual handling. It can manage occlusion and reappearance with memory mechanism. And regarding the model architecture, there are the core components are like image and video encoder, so which is the transformer based one, which can extract high level features from image and video frames, and the prompt encoder here, if you see, so which can process user prompt like points, boxes, mask for targeted segmentation. And the third one is memory mechanism. So memory mechanism, which includes the memory encoder, memory bank, and attention modules. So as you see here, which is for consistent object tracking. And then mask decoder, which generates the final mask using encoded features and memory context for accurate video tracking. So it's here. So key features like memory mechanism and occlusion handling, which can handle temporal dependencies and occlusion in video, and then records object features in memory bank to predict occluded objects reappearances. And then the last one is like multi-mask ambiguity resolution, which generates multiple masks in ambiguous situation accurately, representing the complex scenes. And regarding the data set, let me go to their data set directly from here. So we do have like 51,000 plus in videos captured across 47 countries, diverse scenarios, and then 6 lakh plus mask annotations, detailed spatio-temporal masklets for whole objects and parts. And then dataset scale is around 4.5 times more videos and 53 times more annotations than previous largest dataset. So I have provided the link to that GitHub repository, paper, and then demo, and also to the dataset in the description of this video. And also as well, I will tag it in my notebook that we're gonna see in the next session. Okay. So here is the SAM2 research paper that they have released recently. So I have prepared the notebook which will help us to like test the SAM2 model on our own images that I have downloaded from internet. So in this notebook, what we're gonna do is we will be downloading SAM2 and then we will be installing it in the collab environment, and then we will try to call the zero shot SAM2 model with our custom images. Okay, so here's the few results that I have got with my earlier run. So let me walk you through the notebook. So for the first time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clone the segment anything to GitHub repository. So let's do it. So what this will allows us to access the code and resources within the directory here. once after the clone. So the next step is we have to install SAM2. This may take like 3 to 4 minutes, as it should just install all the dependencies and then SAM2 itself. Yeah. So in the waiting time, what we're gonna do is we will try to upload our example images that we gonna test with the SAM2. Let me create a folder here in the collab, naming it as images. So inside images, I gonna upload a few images that I have already downloaded from the internet. Let me drop it. Just let me drop it in the images here. Okay, it's done now. Let me open all the images one by one. So this is our first image, this is our second one, third one, and fourth one. So you'll be applying zero shot segment anything model on these images to see how it can able to like segment the objects in these images. So now it's done. Let's restart the session once we install all the packages. So the next step would be like we have to change the directory to checkpoint here in the segment anything to. So here we do have a download a checkpoint a bash file. We have to execute this one in order to download the different models which comes with SAM2, like tiny one, small one, base one, and then large models. So for that we have to change the directory to checkpoints, and then we have to make it make the script executable, and then we'll be run the script. Okay, so let's run the script to download different model checkpoints. So as I said, like yeah, it just done with small one, base one, also the tiny one above. So for this tutorial we will be using this losh model, which is the SAM2 model for to test with these images here. So let me close these images in order to make the code more visible. So yeah, it's done now. So we have downloaded the checkpoints. Okay, so downloaded checkpoints are available here. So in the next cell, what we're gonna do is we will be importing the necessary packages like numpy, torch, matplotlib, and pill for to open the image and visualize it, and then we will be generating the mask using SAM2. And also, if you see here, I have set up the environment work with plot 16, and also we are allowing TF32, which is compatible with our GPUs. So let me run this cell. So the next step is we have defined a function called show annotation. This function, what it do is it will be helps in visualizing the generated mask on an image. So it takes a list of annotation and an optional parameter like border to control the display of the borders. Okay, so let's execute this cell as well. So it's done now. And the next step is we have to build a SAM2 model using the provided configuration and checkpoints. So our checkpoint here is this one. So it then initializes an automatic mask generator using the model. So it's here. So let's execute this cell as well. So next step is like we will be building another function which is called generate mask plot, that generates the mask for an image using the mask generator and displays the result using matplotlib. Let's execute this function as well. Now it's time to test SAM2 on our sample images. So in this cell, what I did is like I have get the images directory, and then we will be looping through this directory to just get the list of image names here, and then we will be looping through one by one of this image, and then generate a mask using this function generate mask plot. So it will call SAM2 mask generator to generate the mask, and then we will be displaying the images with its mask. So let's run this cell to see the result of auto mask generation on our sample images using SAM2. So it's really amazing. It just haven't missed out any objects in the image. So it just segmented each and every object in the image. So this one is for the car image. This one is for the kid playing in the beach. This one is for dog and cat. So the results are like really amazing with SAM2 model. So this is what I want to just share it with you guys for to start making use of these kind of advanced models in your day-to-day projects. So that's it, guys. So this is a simple notebook that helps you to introduce you to SAM2 model, and which will help you to test with your own images using a zero shot SAM2 large model. And also you can change the checkpoint here to large, tiny, small in order to test each and every data points which checkpoints that comes with SAM2. And that's it for today, and do not hesitate to add your comment and give it a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and also let me know what kind of tutorial need to be covered in the upcoming days, and subscribe to our channel to stay notified whenever I upload a new video. And bye for now. Thanks for watching.